Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You're watching the campus television channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This lecture is on the prescribed syllabus of 3rd semester MA English Literature and Language. Paper is Linguistics and Structure of English Language. In this lecture, I am going to deal with difference between the PS model and TG model. Let's understand this with the help of this table. PS model and TG model. First, PS model rewrites a symbol as a string. That is, sentence is divided into noun phrase and verb phrase. TG model changes a string into another string, that is, noun phrase plus auxiliary plus main verb 1, that is transformed as auxiliary plus noun phrase plus MV. Second, PS model shows how the constituents of a sentence are arranged, whereas TG model explains how the sentences of a language are related. Third, PS model represents the string underlying the sentence, whereas TG model is a set of rules transform one string of constituents into another but related string. Then PS model, the fourth one is, makes use of PS rules exclusively. TG model makes use of PS rules and T rules. Fifth, PS model, PS rules generate surface structure directly, whereas in TG model, PS rules generate the deep structure which is converted into surface structure by T rules. Sixth, PS model, PS rules are context free, creates some grammatical sentence. Its structures different from any sentence produced by making alternative choices. Whereas in TG model, the T rules are context sensitive. They show inter-tree relations. They organize one set of constituents into another by rearrangement, substitution, deletion, or addition of constituents. In short, TG grammar attempts to describe a speaker's competence, and the competence of a native speaker can be said to include at least 5 abilities. First one, to produce and understand an infinite number of sentences. Second, to understand the integral structure of these sentences. Third, to detect ambiguity. Fourth, to detect paraphrases, that is, when two sentences mean the same thing. For example, a sentence in active and passive voices. Fifth one, to tell when and why a sentence is ungrammatical. Do the given exercise and submit on time. Thank you.